going to be. It's really organized.
In Abilene, I'm Daryl Walton, KTexas News.
If you'd like to donate, you can
Hello YouTube viewers, this is your host of Jen.
KTXS.com.
I have a video for y'all.
They get a third one
Watch.
free on that site.
What's going on right here? You see those flames, right? I don't understand what's going on in that. Because it's crazy. It's that there's flames with rain. And it's not even lightning in the video, as y'all see. Because I'm used to it lightning when it rains.
Need to be covered up because it's going to be in the low 30s.
See, I don't understand that.
Tomorrow morning. Current temperatures low 40s to mid 40s right now. And you factor
It's
in
confusing is how it could be doing that
temperatures in the
and it's not even raining.
in the 30s for most locations. So bundle up if you're out and about.
Can you all explain it to me? Because it's crazy. Is how it's raining when it's doing that.
Yeah, that's a freeze across the entire area. And then look for high temperatures tomorrow, only in the low to mid 50s.
I don't get it.
And not as windy. More about that coming up.
All right, thank you, Mark. On this Veterans Day, as we remember those who served, Abilene ISD.
I'm some words there.
Former students and staff members who served.
If y'all can figure out,
KTexas reporter
I did
shows us how.
shave a long time ago. This part right here. That's why you see me playing with my hair in the back. Right here. Look. Can y'all explain to me in the comments about that? Like, please. Tell me what y'all think. Yes, I'm playing with the little fidget. Because I'm giving this fidget a grade. Which I got at Walmart.
We have a piece of him with us here. We can come anytime and just connect with him and just.
And I got this too.
He's here in spirit. And he would be so proud. We were proud of him.
The idea behind the memorial was to honor servicemen and women who have ties to AISD,
But
along with helping.
can one of y'all explain to me in the comments on what y'all think?
I think it'll be kind of nice to be able to show his legacy and just to be.
And if y'all wondering,
Okay, what is this? This is your uncle. This is your brother.
Ron.
Your cousin. Whatever.
Let me.
Start up those memories and just talk about him.
You can
Even though he's gone, he's not gone. He's like here with us forever.
And while there's no time
go to
names, AISD
White Islam.
Dr. David Young talked about the future plans for the memorial wall. We actually have space for
If y'all can see that.
wall. We actually have space.
They send you
we need to
little pamphlets.
another slab of granite. We also plan to build out a virtual
Like the Quran is the Word of God.
Connected to the process
Muhammad, the final prophet of God.
of the names that are on that wall.
Jesus in Islam, peace upon him.
And if you're interested in submitting a name for the wall, you can
Concept
visit our
of
website. That's KTXS.com.
Islam. A God in Islam. Islam explains. Dude,
KCU held a ceremony this morning honoring our veterans.
all that
Really renovated Moody Coliseum.
it explains
And as you heard, there were some
Islam too.
elementary students singing there. The ceremony recognized veterans and active duty military members in Abilene.
That's up to y'all. If y'all wanna study Islam.
Memorial will be celebrating
But-
Operation Greenlight. They'll have green lights shining on them to honor
Well, I'm not
and
telling you
raise
what to
awareness
choose.
for our local veterans.
Islam or
Coming up on KTXS
whatever.
News at 6, we'll hear from a local veteran who did 2 tours in Afghanistan,
So
3 in Iraq. He talks about his
Like, comment, even share my videos.
living in a car with his family.
God bless. Peace be upon. Later.